Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we showcase the best in home and garden design. Today, we are excited to bring you 75 patio design ideas that will inspire you to create the perfect outdoor living space. Whether you are looking to entertain guests or simply relax and unwind after a long day, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in. Let's start with the classic patio design, which features a large, open space for entertaining guests. This design typically includes a dining area, comfortable seating, and a grill for outdoor cooking. It's the perfect spot to relax with a cup of hot cocoa on a chilly evening or gather around with friends for a barbecue. Next up, we have the cozy patio design, which is perfect for those looking for a more intimate space to relax and unwind. This design often includes comfortable seating, a fire pit or outdoor fireplace, and soft lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your patio, the formal patio design may be just what you need. This design typically features stone or tile flooring, elegant seating, and decorative elements like water features or statues. For those who love to entertain, the party patio design is sure to impress. This design includes a large outdoor bar, comfortable seating, and plenty of space for guests to mingle and socialize. If you're looking to create a peaceful retreat in your backyard, the Zen patio design is perfect for you. This design often includes elements like a pond, bamboo plants, and calming colors to create a serene atmosphere. Another popular patio design is the contemporary patio, which features sleek, modern elements like stainless steel furniture, clean lines, and minimalist decor. It's a great option for those who love a clean and organized look. For those who love to cook, the Gourmet patio design is a must-see. This design often includes a built-in grill, prep area, and outdoor kitchen to create the ultimate cooking space. This patio showcases the beauty of simplicity with its minimalist furniture, neutral color palette, and geometric shapes. To achieve this look, opt for sleek and simple furniture, use neutral colors like white, gray, or black, and add pops of greenery for a fresh touch. If you have a small backyard, don't worry. The compact patio design is perfect for making the most of a small space. This design often includes built-in seating, potted plants, and creative use of space-saving elements like hanging baskets. If you're dreaming of a tropical getaway, this next patio design idea is for you. Just take a look at this lush and tropical-themed patio with exotic plants, colorful accents, and a thatched roof. It's like having your own little paradise right in your backyard. To create a tropical-themed patio, focus on adding plenty of lush greenery with tropical plants like palm trees, ferns, and bamboo. Use colorful accents in the form of cushions, rugs, and accessories to add pops of vibrant hues. If you're a fan of vibrant colors and boho chic style, you'll love this next patio design idea. Just take a look at this colorful and eclectic patio with bold patterns, cozy seating, and plenty of pillows. It's a fun and unique option for those who love to express their personality through design. Finally, we have the rustic patio design, which is perfect for those who love a natural, organic look. This design often includes wood furniture, stone accents, and plenty of greenery to create a cozy, inviting space. And there you have it, 75 amazing patio designs that are sure to inspire you to create the perfect outdoor living space. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more home and garden inspiration. Thank you for watching.